What's up? And thank you for watching. My name is Kibben, and today I want to show you one of my favorite tools for intake. That meeting when you're sitting down with the hiring manager and you're determining what the requirements are. I find that the job posting, the typical format, 750 to 1,000 words, way too long, way too many buzzwords. That format just doesn't work, especially when we're trying to create a very clean cut line between what qualified and unqualified means so that down the road, we don't reach that point where the hiring manager says, well, I think I want to see more candidates, right? And so, in our avoidance, I want you to use this template. It's actually even part of my job post audit template because I think determining if a job post is good doesn't mean just following the template. It means actually making sure it has the right information. And most roles break down to these four things. The first is aptitude, meaning what tools do you know how to use and what can you do with those tools? It's a clean cut line of what those capabilities, what the minimum is for someone who can thrive in this role. Next is autonomy and the projects performed. This is really looking back to understand how they work. Did they work alone? Did they have someone helping them? And what projects have they completed? That should match some of the projects you have coming ahead. That's one of the number one indicators someone can actually be successful in the job. Next, we're going to add communication. Who do you talk to? Who are you presenting ideas to? Make sure for all of these, we have the scope and scale, meaning how much, how many. It's not just completed an Excel sheet. It completed an Excel sheet with a million rows, organized a million database points. And finally, collaboration and people management, meaning how many people have you managed and who are you working with cross-functionally? If you can itemize each of these, it becomes hyper powerful, not just in getting the alignment from the hiring manager, but being able to generate interview scorecards that are practical for the role, generating interview questions, assigning roles. Ultimately, I see this becoming something you can use all the way through the hiring process, not just at the job posting, but you need that first. Okay. So, if you want to get started, you can scan this QR code and check out the job post audit, or I'll make sure and include the link to all of this information and my blog where I share templates like these all the time right in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.